Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update of today. So if you've been following, yesterday we talked about this resistance line, and we see that we touched it, and right now we are below it. So it's right now acting as a resistance still. It doesn't mean that we can't go up more, okay? And if we try to look at the next resistance level, so in my opinion is somewhere around here, okay? And though right now we're going down, the up chance is always at play, you know this, because of the manipulations and because all of the last days of the bull narrative. So today, right now, I'm still short, still underwater, but I wait to see if we go up here or if we continue go down from here right now, because in my opinion, if we go down, so it's simple, we go down and it puts me in profit, and I will look for the close profit. Of course, it is simple, but if it goes up, so it's more complicated in my opinion. Also because I'm short, and also if I wasn't short, it is complicated still, because if we go up to here, there is a chance that even more bull traders will be dragged into market, okay? Because I think that they wait for price to be here and even above this next resistance line here, and this will cause many buy orders, because everybody will go nuts and will say that's it, that's the bull run, that's the bull run, that's the bull run, because we getting close to the 9k mark, okay? So as always, I try to look different things on the market, okay, and try to find the sweet spots. And these days, if you've been following the server and all, like I said, I wait for the consensus event to be over, which is already over yesterday, and now I want to see where the market goes. So this chart is on the daily, and I want to show you one more thing on the CME futures. If you know this, I look at this tick, okay, and here we can see that the CME is trading, and it has you see, this is the 10th of May, and the next day is the 13th of May. So we have 3 days that we didn't trade here, and it happens every week, okay? So on these 3 days we get a big gap here, okay, a big gap with no price action, no nothing. So in my opinion, there is a high chance, because it's the CME and it's a big money, that we can possibly come and close this gap, okay? And what will make more noise and mess in the market is of course I'm not the only one who's looking at this. So many people already say that the CME doesn't matter. So in my opinion, if price goes up, it will put the narrative more into this thing that the CME gaps doesn't matter, and this is when we come and close it, because on this point the retail shorts will be longs will be high, and when it's gonna reach the peak high, the retail shorts, we're gonna close this gap in my opinion. But again, it doesn't mean 100% it's gonna happen, but we follow, okay? So now we do a quick run up as always, okay? Simple. I had the BB, I had the BitcoinMF strategy, all in the links, you can check it out. I add also the BitMEX regular price with this yellow line, okay? And for the BitcoinMF strategy to work, I changed to Heiken Ashi candles, so I can see the moves. And okay, we see we're still up, okay, here, but here we meet the resistance, and this is what we talked about right now. If we go to the 12 hour, we see that we kind of have a little sell-off right now on this candle, but we also have 6 hours to go, so it's not final. And also we add the indicators, okay, and we see RSI is a little bit at top, and the MACD is kind of at top, and it's going to the down cycle maybe, and the stochastic RSI is showing us that there is a chance here that if it goes up, there is headroom for the RSI, okay, so it leaves the bulls scenario for the up, but right now it shows us like a down movement. But don't forget that this is also, those three are lagging very much, so we must follow and react accordingly. Also, the volume is a little bit dropping, which is more bearish for me. And if we look at the 6 hours, we can see that on the Heiken Aishi this candle is already red, and we can see that we have two red candles, one red candle, two red candles. It's trying to sell off, but it can't, so maybe it's still gonna go up. But also those candles, the double edge wick candles on the Heiken Aishi, it suggests that there might be a trend reversal soon. So today I watch this, okay. If we go to the 4 hour, we see the same thing, only price is trying to hold on the mid BB on the strategy EMA 16, okay. And here, as always, I watch for the RSI. You see when it's above the 50 level, it's going up. When it's below the 50 level, it's going down generally, okay. So I watch this, because if this level breaks and we start this negative cycle, there is chance for more down or sideways. On the 1 hour we can see a move. Always I watch the BB. You see we get a close outside the BB on the 1 hour, and then a down move, and now we try to hold this as support. Everybody waits to see what happens, to know what entry they can get. Here we can see the EMAs are kind of close, want to close and cross, okay. This is kind of a bearish sign generally, but also pay attention. Then when it gets close, then usually price goes up to the cross again, okay. So it's sometimes the EMA cross, I don't put all my eggs on this, because it's many times it's traded counter in the market actually. And the 15 minutes, the scalpers time frame, you see, like here we have a cross, but price wanted to go up, and only after 2 candles we have another red candle, and now again we try to move up, okay. So like always, I watch the 15 minutes with the BB close. As I say, you know that when it's closed outside the bands, there is a chance for up, and when it closes outside the top bands, there is a chance for down. And this is the dance of price action, okay. So this is it for today. All the links are in the description. You can like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you feel like, and I hope this was helpful, and good luck, and trade safe. Bye bye, see you next time.